Hi everyone, this is the new vacuum cleaner we got. Yes, I'm using my car key to open it up. It's by Kalorik. Kind of like the Rainbow uses water. Since the Rainbow vacuum cleaner died. No, you don't know how to behave. No! Maybe. That's the pet brush for furniture and stairs. There's the vacuum head. And there's the actual vacuum itself. Shouldn't be that hard to put together. Because it says the rollers snap one at the bottom. I'm going to stop it right here. Please like, please subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a good day.